So now I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to do a follow-up. And we're going to use Dan Rather right here. And let's go ahead and click on Dan. And when we do, we can see what we're following up with him about in the follow-up note right here. But let's go ahead and click on him, and then we can see the rest of the information that we would want prior to doing the follow-up. We see the highlights area, which is that piece of sticky information again that you see at the top of the person that you're working with every time you open them up. And we can see Dan is a product customer. We met him at church. He's married to Sheila, has 2 kids, Amber and Greg. He's struggling with some weight issues. He wants to lose 30 pounds. He's taking the X product. And so, of course, we have the hashtags for a product user, hashtag the product name, hashtag weight loss, because that's what his issue is that he's trying to deal with, and hashtag the church, because that's where we met him at. So let's go ahead and scroll down. We see the pending follow-up, and then we see all of the notes of every interaction that we have had with Dan. We can see the entire history and any important information that we want to be able to know prior to doing this follow-up. The amazing thing is that this will help you be so confident in going into any follow-up because you'll have the history and all of the information, and people are just going to be shocked at what you can remember. I mean, they'll be like, how on earth do you remember these things? And remembering shows that you care, and that helps build trust, and trust is what helps build a relationship. So let's go ahead and go back to the beginning, right over here. And when it's time for our follow-up and we've completed our follow-up, all we have to do is click this Mark as Done button. When we do that, we will do our voice to text of what happened during the interaction and any other meaningful information that we want to capture. Now we'll go ahead and just hit this check mark right here. And when we do that, normally your follow-up wouldn't be the same day, but for the sake of being able to show you, I'm going to hit today, and then we'll voice to text here what we're going to be following up with him about. Perfect. Now we'll just go ahead and hit this check mark right here. And when it's time for his follow-up, he will actually just show up in this area right here. Let us know if you have any questions. And remember, we do have coaching and training available for you. Just let us know if you're interested in learning more.